Need to reset your Apple Watch Series 11? This process completely restores your watch to its original state, deleting all your personal data. It's essential for troubleshooting, selling, or just starting fresh. First, unpair the watch from your iPhone. Open the Watch app, go to the My Watch tab, select your watch, and tap Unpair Apple Watch. You'll need to enter your Apple ID password to confirm. Make sure your watch is nearby during this process. Once unpaired, erase the data directly on the watch. Press the side button to access the power menu, then tap Reset. Alternatively, go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode. Keep your watch charged above 20% during the 5 to 10 minute erase process. Remember, this will remove all apps, data, settings, and personalizations, so be sure to back up anything important. Activation Lock is a security feature that prevents unauthorized use of your Apple Watch. It ties the watch to your Apple ID. Before resetting, sign out of iCloud on your watch in Settings, Your Name, Sign Out to avoid activation lock issues. If you encounter a locked watch after a reset, you'll need to enter the original Apple ID credentials or contact Apple support with proof of purchase. If reselling, use Apple's official removal tool on iCloud.com under Find My Devices, Watch, Remove from Account. Note that as of watch OS 12.1, the latest stable version, the Series 11 has enhanced security features. Common reset issues often stem from incomplete unpairing, so follow the steps carefully. Forgetting to back up data can also be a problem. By following these steps, you can safely and effectively reset your Apple Watch Series 11.